So this is our Greenway P100 polymer retaining wall module. And people ask me all the time, you know, this thing's plastic. You know, how does this thing do the same or serve the same function as a concrete block? And I always say, well, it's really not about the weight or the material. It's about the fact that you're using compacted backfill with geogrid reinforcement is your retaining wall, really not the facing. The facing is really just an erosion protection as you're building it, and a compaction form so that you can stack everything up and compact and backfill nice and tight while you're building it. So we just took advantage of that, and we're using a very lightweight piece. This weighs 2.5 pounds. As you see, they're nestable, so we get high density for shipping and storage. It's easy to handle them on the job site. And then we've got a snap-in rail that goes in right here, and that, here we go. Well, here we go, David. You'll have to edit that out. It's not, there we go. We've got a snap-in rail, and it completes the side. It's all open so that when you backfill this trough with soil, you've got moisture, nutrients, roots, everything can penetrate through here and sort of stitch it together too, which is a bonus. But the plants don't know they're in a retaining wall block, basically. There's so much soil here and soil continuity that there's nothing that really impedes the movement of roots. So we end up able to build a really nice structural retaining wall system 5 feet and under for landscape applications without all the big trucks and trucking and forklifts and everything else, and we can ship these right to your door by UPS if need be.